chika-chika?
Wow.
Papa, mama, no, chika-chika.
Ano?
Wala.
Pero saan si Papa mo? Hindi mo alam kung nasaan. You don't know Papa mo? Japan, Papa mo.
Japan, Hapon.
Ay, yung mama mo, Pilipino?
Pilipino. Bisaya, Davao.
Tanong mo kung ano yung... Ano yun, yung... Di ba may ano doon, may... Anong tawag doon? Yung nag...
Ano?
Ano kasi yan yung sa Japan, yung nag-irk.
Hindi, okay lang. Kayo muna.
Yung Japan? You know, this year, right?
Ano?
Like the disaster.
Ano? Ano sinasabi mo?
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
A lot of people died.
Paano ka pumunta dito sa Pilipinas?
Is it this year or last year?
Pumunta.
Tsunami this year.
Tsunami?
Oo. Tsunami ba yun?
Hindi, pumunta ka dito.
Earth.
Naintindihan mo?
It's like earthquake and then... Oh, yeah.
Ay, Tin!
Translate.
Tin, translate mo. Paano ka nakapunta dito sa Pilipinas?
How did you get back here?
But remember, like, there's
The recent one?
a lot of people, like...
I think it was maybe last year.
Where? In Manila.
I don't know. I'm really bad
Where the
with
place? No? How?
No, right, you were in Japan.
Yeah.
And how,
especially since I'm in here.
how did you get back
Earthquake.
here?
Yeah, earthquake. I
And
don't
then
know earthquake.
earthquake and then the
Here?
water.
Water, yeah.
But
But it wasn't
airplane.
like a...
Tsunami.
It wasn't, no, I think it was a small one.
For what reason?
Like a short one, but long one.
PBB.
Just that?
Not like Phuket.
Yung ba gusto mo tanungin?
Oo. Tapos ano?
Bumalik lang siya dito dahil sa PBB.
But Manila is first time.
Pero may mga lola.
First time to visit Manila.
Oh,
Pero may lola at lolo ka dito sa Pilipinas.
Ako?
you have relatives.
In Davao.
Oh, may kapatid ka. Doon yung sa papa mo, na Japan din. Ilan kayo magkapatid?
I have two half sister.
Japan, Filipino din.
Fathers.
They have same father.
They're different.
You have ba yun? You have the same dad.
Yeah, the same dad, but different mother.
Ano ibig sabihin?
Pares daw tatay mo.
Tin, ano yung ano mo?
Tatay mo.
Tin, may ano ka ba? First name mo lang yun, Tin? Or may ano ka pa?
Anna Christine ako.
Oh, Anna Christine. Ang ganda, ganda na pangalan. Alam mo ba yun, Digan?
Ana Christine.
Anna Christine.
Alam Christine. Parang Christine Reyes lang.
Di mo nga alam, may Ana ako eh.
Selos.
Buti pa
Hindi
ako.
ka gano'n, nagsiselos.
Pero alam ko yung birthday niyo. December 29.
Buti pa ako, alam ko yung
1991. Ay, syempre lagi kong inasabi pa ulit-ulit, unlimited. Ikaw pa rin, Jericho, ano totoong pangalan mo?
Jericho talaga.
Jericho Rosales?
Hindi. Jericho lang.
Bakit nagkamali ata sa yung pangalan sa si mama at papa mo? Dapat kay Piolo. Hindi Jericho Rosales. Oo.
Tama lang.
Mali. Mali. Kaya mali ito. Piolo to ay. Your true name?
My true name? Sichi.
Sichi
Ushimi.
Yushimi?
Yushimi.
Ano?
You see me?
You see?
You see me?
You see?
Yusi?
You see
Yusi
me?
cigarettes? Yushimi.
Ushimi.
Yushimi? Ushimi. Ah.
Ushimi.
You see me?
What
Ganun lang.
in Japan? I love you.
Mahal ka, Aishiteru? Aishiteru?
Ashitero.
Hala ka.
Ashitero.
Ikaw, Aishiteru?
No. Yeah. Friend.
Dapat di mo na tinanong. Mag-hurts. Bleeding. Sa loob.
Keep bleeding.
Sakit. So sakit.
Keep bleeding, love.
You broke my heart. You broke my heart.
Tanong mo kung nakailan girlfriend na siya.
Kailan girlfriend ka na?
2. Yeah.
Before? Before, yeah. Two. Tara.
Bago ka pumasok dito sa PBB, may girlfriend ka sa labas? Wala.
Japanese and Filipina, right?
Yeah.
May girlfriend ka sa labas bago ka gumo dito sa PBB. You have girlfriend.
Were you courting someone
Oh, yes.
Courting someone? Now?
Anong dahilan niya? Anong...
before going
Bigel.
there?
Anong dahilan niya pa? Bakit siya nag-audition?
Pwede bang itanong yan?
Oo. Well, but why did you join PBB? Why do you want to join PBB?
Because the first, my mother is, he tell me about the PBB audition.
You want to
is,
see your father? Ako mag-English.
But, away na ko. Away.
Away
Father
ka?
with my father. That's why, yeah. You know,
That's why you wanna go here also.
what?
Bakit
You
daw,
wanna
Ken?
come back here
Yeah.
with your mom.
Dati kayo away
Your
yung
mom
father.
is here.
No, Japan. I'm alone.
Sabi
here.
mo, what made you decide?
Ha?
What made you decide to
Mom
audition?
nga, mother.
Sabi ng mom niya?
Oo. But do you like it here?
Yeah, I like.
You're so quiet.
Because I cannot understand Tagalog.
Ano ba?
So if you don't understand, tell us.
Oo, maging madaldal ka.
Mike, I know
Look at
Bisay.
Kigoy, oh.
Bisaya, yeah.
Like Igoy.
No,
Like me.
just half. Half of Kigoy.
Bakit ako
No,
hindi
just a little bit lang pala. Half is too
Bakit
much.
ako hindi ako marunong mag-English?
Joke lang.
Magaling ako Tagalog. Pero daldal ako. Pero sa iyo, syempre, mahirap sa iyo. Japanese ka, tapos mag-English. No? Parang tatlong ano. Ano? Ang hirap noon.
It's okay. You will understand too. Pag lagi kami nagsasalita.
Huwag ka mag-alala, kasama ka namin ni parang Carlo para tatlo tayo. Magpahirapan tayo. Nosebleed tayong tatlo.
Wala?
Nadugo ilong ko sa inyo, kaka-English. Kaya na mga dugo sa akin ng ilong nyo, kaka-Tagalog ko.
Oh, wala pa rin natatapos.
Kasi magkamasama kay Tin. Si Tin ay ano,
What?
sa labas, turuan mo ko man chicks.
Chicks?
Yes. Because she broke my heart.
O di kami na lang pala ni Seichi.
Kami na lang ni Seichi. He love you, Seichi. Ito talaga.
What? He said chicks?
It's, to flirt with other girls.
Because
I don't
want to flirt other girls because my heart is
Hindi mo
inside
kailangan sabihin
is
because
number
sa
one.
unang ano.
So sweet.
You understand?
Yeah, I understand.
Kahit English ka
Potato.
Yes. That's true.
Why? Bakit gusto ni Tinky? Why you like her?
First time I see
Dito old
Oo.
the house there.
ay in love na ako. Crush. And then, so on, patagal ng patagal. Tugyug, high voltage. Kung tawagin, ni paring Kinoy. So, yun. Dati, intindi mo dati?
Before.
Before, maybe mga 20% crush. So on, tumagal,
Is there
naging
anyone
30,
in the
40, 50,
toilet?
hanggang 89% now. And pag tumagal pa, magiging 100%. Pero sa tingin ko, nasa 90%, 95% na.
How about tall? No, I can wait.
I think 95%.
95.
Last 5% na lang. I'm all dead in love. I'm all dead in love.
Akin tong spot na to, ha? Hindi, tatulak kita yung bala.
Iyakan ng iyak.
Keep bleeding, keep bleeding.
Pero ilang kayo magkakapatid? 2? 3?
Dalawa.
Dalawa. Boy and girl.
Sister. Pero ano ba?
Ako din.
Ikaw.
Like me, may sister. 2 kami. Don't have mother, don't have father. And grandmother lang, and grandfather lang.
Same.
Doon ako naka-stay. Sa grandmother ko, grandfather ko. Work. Nag-work ako.
Anong trabaho?
Trabaho ko?
What is
Foreigneria.
Cornelia?
Yes.
Is
Dead people.
ah
Yes. Oh, you.
security guard.
Security guard. Graduate ka in high school only.
Third year college.
Third year college.
Yeah.
Security guard, Japan.
Yeah. Pero part-time job.
Part-time job. Ganda. That's okay. Okay job. Pero hard maging security guard.
In Japan, hard. Very hard.
Yes.
Yung trabaho is very hard.
Pero wala namang mga naughty people doon. Naughty people na. Mga masamang people na. Alam mo yung masama?
Masama is
Bad.
in Japan.
Ingles na magnanakaw. Oo, may mga stealing gano'n. May naka-enkwentro ka na bagang gano'n.
Meron Japanese.
My heart is very high voltage. You understand that? My
Yeah.
heart is very high voltage too.
95%.
95% na. Pag tumagal pa, baka You want to make ice cream? 14. Para yakap ko na. Bye. Sabi na lang ako kanya. Maganda lang.
Yo, where do you want to make ice cream?
Yes, I don't know how to...
Let's try now.
Tayo?
That long.
Tayo? Tara, try natin. May milk doon. Yes, tara. Let's go. You want to join? Let's make ice cream.
It's okay to make.
Oh, yes. All. Tara. Kuya, bigyan mo ng wake-up call ito. Oh. Para saan mo, kuya, si Tin? Tulog ng tulog. Sino? Si Tin.
Paano ba yung uncle ko?